Good morning class, this is your science class and today we are going to read lesson 8 and the name of the chapter is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is one of the most important system in our body. It is made up of blood vessels and heart. This system circulates every necessary elements in the body. Parts of circulatory system. Blood. The blood is a red colored fluid flows in blood vessels. The blood delivers nutrients and oxygen to the body. Different parts. It transports waste products away from those same cells. Okay, blood is composed of blood cells suspended in blood plasma. The blood cells are mainly red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. The blood transports the following substance to all parts of the body. Digested food from the small intestine to the other body parts, oxygen from the lungs to the body cells, and waste products produced in the body cells are transported to kidneys for removal. Okay. So the components of the blood. Plasma. Second is RBC called red blood cells. WBC called white blood cells and platelets. So plasma is first one is plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood. It is slightly yellowish in color and carries carbon dioxide, food, enzymes. Okay, 55% of blood is plasma. Different kind of blood cells are embedded in plasma. Okay, RBC means red blood cells are disc-shaped cells. These are red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Okay. WBC white blood cells are large in size and lesser in number than RBCs. They help to fight infection and also destroy germs and harmful foreign particles which may have entered the body. Platelets are very minute cells present in the body. They help to stop bleeding by clotting the blood in case of an injury. Okay. Blood vessels and their functions. Blood vessels. First one is arteries. Second one is capillaries. Third one is veins. Arteries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body organism. The blood flows rapidly and at a high pressure as the heart pumps blood into the arteries. Capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest of the body blood vessels. They are the thinnest blood vessels. Arteries branch into smaller and smaller arteries are finally into capillaries. They have very thin walls through which exchanges of oxygen, digested food, carbon dioxide and other waste products take place between the blood and the surrounding cells. Capillaries connect arteries with veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from body organs to the heart. The capillary join up to from the veins. Veins have the thin walls. Walls are present inside the veins which allows the blood to flow only towards the heart. The heart is one of the most important organ in the entire human body. It is first fish-sized muscular organ located between the lungs. It is placed centrally but slightly tilted towards the left. It is really nothing more than a pump which pumps blood through the body to the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of its muscles called heartbeats. Chamber of heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper auricles, the receiving chambers and 2 lower ventricles, the discharging chambers. The auricles are smaller than the ventricles and have comparatively thinner muscular walls than the ventricles. The auricles are connected to the veins that carry blood to the heart. The ventricles are connected to the arteries that carry blood away from the heart. Various ways to keep heart healthy and strong. Eat heart healthy, a variety of nutritious foods. Limit bad fat. Cut the salt. Be physically active. Stay at a healthy weight. Keep your blood cholesterol healthy. Keep your total cholesterol healthy. Keep your blood sugar healthy. And do some exercise daily. Get your annual health checkup. Okay? Class, now this is the summary of your chapter. Read full lesson very carefully and complete exercise and question answer in note which is given in study material. Okay? Thank you.